Happy Mother's Day. Today I'm going to be doing my mom's makeup, and y'all know me, I'm telling you, I forgot to film my intro or my outro when I was at my mom's house too. So if you want to see me do my mom's makeup for Mother's Day, just keep watching. Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. And for those of you that are new, my name is Mandy. Welcome to the video. Alright guys, so I forgot to film the intro and the outro, but I know y'all will forgive me because y'all love me. And you are definitely going to love my mother. I done her makeup today for Mother's Day, and I think it turned out so beautiful, guys. She don't hardly ever wear makeup, and when she does wear makeup, it might just be mascara, and that is it. I wanted to go full glam with her today, and that's what we done. So let's go ahead and jump over to Mom's house. fun today. I don't really get to see them a lot, even though we're only like 20 minutes apart. I don't really get to see my mom or my dad a lot. So it was really fun to go over there and just spend Mother's Day with her. And I got to see my dad, my mom, and of course my nephew was there. You've seen everybody in the video, just about, except for Dad, because my dad he's always outside working on stuff. He is one of those ones, if the sun is out, he's out. And he's always working on something, a building, a car. He's been like that my whole life. But guys, I had so much fun. I just love hanging out with my parents. I know when you're a teenager and you're like, oh my God, I cannot wait to move out. You're driving me nuts. But truthfully, when you get older, you just miss those days. I know I do. But my mother is such a beautiful person, and I'm so glad I got to do this video with her. I wish I had filmed an outro, but guys, she is such a beautiful woman. I think the look come out so beautiful, and I was so happy to see my mom dressed up because I don't never get to see her all made up like that. So it felt really good for me to be the one that got to do that for her. So guys, just remember to hug your mom today, tell your mom you love her, and wish her a happy Mother's Day. Take out the trash, do the dishes, do something special for your mom today, and just show them that you love them. Show them that you love them and you appreciate them giving you life. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel and become part of the Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much. And I will see you next video. And don't forget, guys, happy Mother's Day to everybody out there. I love you guys. Bye.